Okay.
Look, it's a snow cookie. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl.
Io, you like the snow? Io, stay. Go get Daddy. Io, come. Throw the snow up in the air like you were. Oh, that was high. Look at the puppy. Io's first time in the snow. She's like, I don't know what this stuff is, but it's kind of fun. Hey, all we have in Florida is rain.
She's like a rabbit.
She's a rabbit, yeah. Pretty puppy. Oh. Io, is that good? You have water at home. She just wants to dig and like put her nose in it. Are you making puppy holes? You see when she gets to the part that's not touched, she like dives in. What is this stuff?
Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Good girl.
Good puppy. Good, Io.
I got that on video.
Io. Go get it. Io, go get the ball. You wanna play with the other one? Io, go get it. Go get your ball. Look. This way. It's right there. Get your ball.
Come here.
Yay, Io. She's trying to do her fast run. Yeah. I can talk to you with my gloves. Look. Io, get the snow. Io, get the snow. Oh, she got that one. Io, get the snow. Get it. Io, get it.
Sorry.
Oh, she's bored of this game.
Get him on.
Io, get your ball. Good puppy. Good puppy. Aw, you're muddy. You're good. Doofus. My doofus. She's watching like, uh-oh, it's gonna get lost. Good puppy.
You can hear it.
Highest? Good catch, Io. She wants Daddy to play.
I can hear the ice cracking.
Be careful.
Go, get on.
Ayo, puppy, what you doing? Ayo, puppy. Hi, pretty girl.
Ayo, careful.
What was that?
It's a rock. She went to grab it and I heard her take it.
Aw. Ayo, don't break your teeth. Pretty puppies. Hello.
Are her teeth okay?
I think so. She ate some snow. Okay, so we are in Banner Elk, North Carolina. We just got done skiing at Sugar Mountain. And now we're here to play with Ayo in the snow. This dog loves snow. She loves it. It's incredibly windy here, very gusty, very cold. It's about 27 degrees, I would say, with the wind chill. Maybe colder. Supposed to get down to 21 tonight, I think. Maybe 19. My hand is about to freeze off. Let her run. Ayo, run! Go get the ball. Watching her bounce like a bunny is hilarious. Ayo, what's going on? Are you in the snow? It was actually not as deep yesterday, so I don't think she knows what's going on. Yesterday she was about up to her knees in it, and now she's up to her body. I'm waiting for her to disappear into a drift. Careful, don't hurt yourself. Carlos has a cracked rib from snowboarding, as usual. Wow, it's flippin' cold. Really, really cold. Ayo! 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 Carlos! Ayo, come! It's a
bag.
Yeah, it's a bag. This is what Ayo chased after and worried us both to death. It's okay, Ayo, it's a bag. This is the parking lot of the hotel, and that's what she did. Not that there's a lot of cars there. Holy f***ing cold. I have to put my glove back on.
Alright, turn it off. It's like Wile E. Coyote.
Why does she keep barking?
I don't know.
Is she stuck?
She's probably saying it's freaking cold.
She likes it though. Look at her. She's so pretty. Pretty babies. I love when she has earballs. I know she expects that, or it surprises her every time. What do you think? Oh, she got a face full of snow trying to get out. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I'm not a top.
Before we can.
I love her face. She's got that wry face, like, yep, this is what happened. Ayo, stop. Ayo, go get it. Ayo, go get it. Go that way.
Now she sniffs them.
Aya, go. Up, up. Oh. Up, up. She's getting better at it. She knows where the deep part is now. She's like, fool me once. Shame on me. No, shame on you. On the place. Shame on me. Up, up. Aya's up, up. Up, up. No, shut up. Up, up.
Go, go.
She wants to play. She's like, what's this? Oh yeah, I'm bored. And it's cold.
Go up that way.
Aya, are you stuck?
She was stuck.
Are you stuck? Oh, are you okay?
Now she approaches carefully.
She's had the experience of almost breaking a leg. Semi-carefully. Oh, she's good. You okay?
It's like a rabbit.
The easiest way to get herself out of it. It's a rat fire. Aya, good, good. Good, baby. Good, good. I like what she sings. Aya, are you concerned about the ice on your paws? I'm just trying to kill it. It's dead, Aya. You got it. Come on, pretty. Careful, Froggy. I like it when she's stuck. She's just like, well. It's icy up here. Ayo. Are you all snowy? Are you a snowy puppy?
Come, hurry, come. Come. Go.
Pretty girl. Go ahead, Daddy. catch. Good catch, Ayos. She wants you to play. The funniest part is that she really catches it. Ayo. Good catch. That's funny. See, look how she wiggles herself out of it. Ayo.
Get closer. That's just hysterical.
What'd you do? Ayo. Are you trying to get Daddy's hand? Aw, digging in the snow. That's fun. Ayo. Ayo.
Come on.
What's your face? What'd you do? Wow, she's barking underneath the snow and you can't hear her. She likes doing it. She's like, I'll get to your hand. Ayos! Ayo, look at your face! Oh no, now what? Ayo. Puppy? Where are you going? Are you going home? She's like, I'm out of here. No, Ayo.
I have her.
Ayo, get Daddy. Get Daddy. Hi. She's like, why am I covered in snow? What's Daddy doing? Ayos. Ayo, all you have to do is shake. You have like snow resistant fur.
Get closer so we can extract photos.
Hi, my pretty. That's a very snowy face. Ayo, come. Good Daddy. Are you digging? Are you digging in the snow?
Okay, cut and make another take.
I did.
And we will call it our little snow plow.
Ayo. Ayo, what you doing? Ayos. Hi, pretty. She wants you to do the thing with your hands again. Doggy fun. Try to get Daddy's hand. Ayo. You found something else you like to do, Mr. Snow?
Wait on.
Dig.
Let me fix so my hand doesn't fall over when I'm done.
Fall over.
Fall off, actually.
Look at her. She just puts her face right in it.
Look, snowplows.
Pretty ayos. Ayos. Good Daddy. You have to put your hand in. Ayo, good Daddy. Is she plowing the snow?
I think so. I found grass.
Ayo, are you digging into Timbuktu?
She discovered, yeah.
Ayo. Hey.
Oh.
Ayo. Oh. It's snowing just for you.
She sounded like a little alligator. Like a snap.
Oh, really? Have the teeth? Oh. What you doing? Ayo. Ayos.
She's great. Come here. Come here.
Ayo.